Okay, so this is a rivet fastening machine, 3-type rivet fastening machine. So you have your CHING FUNG label on the side as you requested. Here you have this canal, you got the rivets. This where you put the rivets, and it goes down from this canal. And then over here you have the nails. So, and this where you fasten them together. So you have a laser, as you can see. Okay. You ask for three layers of denim for testing. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna test a few on 3 layers of denim. Okay, this is the start button. So as you can see, you choose the speed, you work with your own speed, so because you hit the pedal, you can see how the rivets are fastened on 3 layers of denim. 3 layers. So the rivets stay there basically, it's just the denim that's breaking, you see, so you can see how strong they are. It's holding. The denim got ripped off, but not the rivet itself. The rivet stays in its place. Okay, so I will send you these. We're gonna do another one, and this is the sample that I will send you for testing. We will do it on 6 layers this time. So we 3 and we fold it on 6. Okay. So this is, just to tell you, it's 6 layers. So 3 times 3. So again, it's really holding well. Okay.